Today we are looking at the Alesis Recital, an exclusive 88-key digital piano that brings semi-weighted action and lesson mode to your living room. It's designed for beginners who want a realistic feel without the heft or price tag of a full-weighted keyboard. Key features and specifications. This keyboard sports 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys with 4 levels of adjustable touch response, so you can build finger strength while enjoying dynamic control. You get 5 premium voices: acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, bass, layer and split modes for rich textures or duet practice, plus lesson mode that divides the keys into 2 identical zones for teacher-student sessions. Add reverb and chorus effects to taste, enjoy up to 128-note polyphony, and fill the room with sound from dual 20-watt speakers. There's also a standard headphone jack, which mutes the speakers, a sustain pedal input, and USB MIDI for DAW connectivity. Price. The Alesis Recital carries a list price of $229, but it's frequently on sale. For example, right now it's $194.49 with free delivery, making it a standout value in the under $200 range. Pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a true 88-key experience, sturdy semi-weighted keys, built-in lessons, and powerful onboard speakers. On the downside, the keys aren't fully weighted hammer action, voices are limited to 5, and there's no onboard recording feature. Customer reviews summary. With over 14,000 reviews, customers love the Recital's solid build and educational features, often calling it amazing value for beginners. A few users note that the volume tops out quickly and some wish for more voices, but most agree its performance punches above its price. Should you buy it or not? If you are launching your piano journey and want a hassle-free, budget-friendly setup with semi-weighted keys and lessons built in, the Alesis Recital is a smart pick. However, if you crave fully weighted keys, extensive sound libraries, or advanced recording options, you may want to step up to a higher-end model down the road.